guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about HiSmile. I have partnered with them to tell you guys about their new formula. I have tried their products before and I really like them. They came out with a new formula based on customer feedback. So I thought, why not try their new formula and let you guys know if I recommend their new whitening gel and if it is worth it. So they did send to me their kit with the new formula. So I just wanted to show you guys my results throughout the process from day 1 to day 6. It is a 6-day process and it's super easy. Anybody can literally do this at home, which is one thing that I really love about their whitening kit. I have tried many different whitening methods. I've gone to like in-office teeth whitening places, and I've also tried at-home teeth whitening methods as well, like the strips, the crest strips and things like that. This is the one that I have found to be the most convenient and also effective. So essentially their new formula is supposed to not give you any pain. Throughout the process of using their teeth whitening kit, I did not experience pain. That's one thing that when I did use other methods is that, especially when you go in office to a place, it is effective, but my teeth would get so sensitive and I really didn't like that. I am such a baby, so I didn't like that my teeth were sensitive, and through the process of using HiSmile, I did not experience any sensitivity, so that was so good. So the teeth whitening kit comes in a box like this and you get it delivered at home, and it comes with an LED light and also a mouth guard. They have created the mouth guard to be more tighter so that it has like a better fit to your mouth, and it comes with 3 gels. Each of the tubes have 2 days of use. So I have actually used their products before and I really liked them, so I was excited when they came out with a new formula. All you have to do is take out the LED light and put the mouth guard on it. You do have to take out the little tape that's in the back to make the batteries work with the LED light. There are instructions on the back of the box, which I really like because it just makes it easy that way. I did use their pink toothpaste to brush my teeth. You want to brush your teeth first before using the whitening kit. You just twist off the little top that the gel has and then apply the gel to the top and the bottom sides of the mouth tray. It tells you on the back how much to put. So each gel, it has measurements and it tells you to put 1/4 of the gel on the top and then another 1/4 on the bottom. So you pop it in and then you hit the button to turn on the LED light, and then you just leave it on for 10 minutes. It also has a built-in timer so you know when the 10 minutes are up, which also makes it super easy to use. And then while your teeth are whitening, you can just watch TV, be on your phone. So that's what I like about this teeth whitening kit, is that you can do whatever you want. I sometimes just don't have time to go to in-office teeth whitening places and I just rather do other things with my time. So I really like that you can just do this at home. After the 10 minutes are up, all you have to do is spit it out in the sink and then just rinse your mouth and rinse the mouth guard. It's really easy to clean. All you have to do is rinse it, and then the next time you use it, you just rinse it before applying the gel again. So I used the same steps for 6 days, and I will show you guys here from day 1 to day 6 how my teeth got whiter, and I can definitely see the difference. I was actually already planning to get my teeth whitened because I am going to be at my cousin's wedding and I wanted to whiten my teeth instead of paying hundreds of dollars at the dentist or somewhere else to whiten my teeth, which is how much it really does cost to whiten your teeth somewhere else. Also, I did like to do this at nighttime because I'm not going to eat anything after using the teeth whitening kit, so I recommend doing this at night before going to bed. Also, the gels are vegan, just to let you guys know. If some of you guys are wondering if the formula is vegan, it is vegan, so that is a plus for me. The taste of the gels is not bad at all. It kind of tastes a little minty. What you don't want to do is swallow the gel, so just make sure you don't swallow it. I really like this teeth whitening kit. I think it's super easy to use. I've seen this everywhere online and I've seen celebrities use this as well, and I can see why, because it actually does work, and you only need 10 minutes. So the price of the teeth whitening kit is $60, and they also have Afterpay on their website. I will put the link in the description box below if you guys want to check out the HiSmile teeth whitening kits. They do have a money back guarantee, so if you don't get the results that you are looking for, you can get your money back. So it really does not take much to try this whitening kit. I definitely recommend it. As you guys can see, my teeth look super white and I love how my teeth look. I think it makes such a difference whenever your teeth are just whiter. It just makes you feel a lot more confident. It makes you feel like you want to smile more. Coming from a person who was always just uncomfortable with their smile, I feel a lot more comfortable smiling. I was just always self-conscious about my smile, and now I just feel really good about it. So yeah, thank you so much to HiSmile for partnering with me on this video. Make sure you check them out, and also if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload every Monday and Thursday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.